Hi, I'm Gretchen Dixon, Product Specialist at SOLABS. In today's video, we'll look at how to complete a training assignment. You will receive an email notification when you get a training assignment. The email will include a link to get you into SOLABS. You can click on that link and then log in. We will log into SOLABS now as a user that has a new training assignment. This training assignment has a due date of January 3rd, 2020, so it is showing up on their homepage with the default of any trainings with due dates this week or last week. If you're curious if you have other training that you haven't completed, I like to click on the Outstanding option on the homepage. That will bring up 6 items that this user has not completed yet. Another thing you can do when you log in to check your training is to look at your training status. As we see, there are 6 things that are not done yet. Only 5 of them are overdue. But if you'd like to get quickly to those items after checking your training status, you can just click View by the red bar, and now we see the 5 that are overdue. But let's go back to that one that we received today. So we'll go back to the home page. And here it is, due this week on the 3rd of January. So we'll click on Confirm, and you will get a notice that says the training activity cannot be confirmed because the related master document has not been opened. Whenever you are assigned a training activity that is related to a document, you'll need to open it first before you can record your training. When you're done, close it. And now you'll be able to click Record My Training. Scroll down and put how much time you spent on the training. Then click Submit. You'll be asked to enter your password because training requires an e-signature. So that's a dual authentication. Your username and your password fulfill that requirement. We'll click Confirm, and you'll see the action was performed successfully. So now if we go back to the home page, that item is gone. While you're in here, if you'd like to complete the rest of the items, you can either click Outstanding, as we looked at earlier, and they will all show up, or you can check your training status and click View next to the red bar. While we're in our training status, I'd like to show you one more thing you can take a look at on this screen. And that is down here under Details. If you click Open next to the details, you will be able to see all of your training assignments and the status of those assignments. They'll be organized by curriculum. Some curriculum will contain only one item, such as this one. Others may contain more. We see one here that has quite a number of training activities, and we see that Elizabeth Cox is trained on all of these already. We also see some that are awaiting a second confirmation or a grade. That means that Elizabeth has signed off on the training, but it was set up to require a second confirmation by a trainer or perhaps her manager, or confirmation that she got a passing grade. If something says awaiting end user confirmation right here, that means Elizabeth herself has not signed off on that yet, and we know there were 5 things that she was overdue on. So when you log in, again, either from the email or directly, one trick I like is to click on Outstanding, always a way to see if you've got anything pending to do, and also to check your training status. I hope that helped you learn how to complete a training activity that you're assigned.